Hello everyone, my name is Moch.Reghan in class 12 IPS 2 number 18. Here I will review beauty product called Natural Republic Aloe Vera and items like this.
야, 여기야, 여기.
아 여기 맞아?
눌러봐.
아 네가 눌러 순 없잖아.
알았어.
누구세요?
알로에 스링 젤로?
AS 왔습니다.
누구세요?
AS 왔습니다.
누구세요?
AS 왔습니다.
AS 왔습니다.
자, 햇빛이 뜨거우니까.
이제 알로에 스링 젤로 AS 하셔야죠.
캘리포니아 알로에로 여름 피부를 촉촉하게.
엄청 촉촉해.
여름 피부 AS
잊지 말고 네이처 리퍼블릭 알로에 스링젤.
바로부터 밑으로 쭉 내려서 멕시코.
Natural Republic Aloe Vera Shooting Gel is product of a famous skincare brand from South Korea. The texture of the gel is thick and the color is clear green. This product can be applied on your skin for various purposes such as moisturizing, sleeping, pack before you make up, aftershave remedies, hair gel or hair treatment, as mask, sunblock treatment, nail essence, and also a solution for your whole body. This product contains extract from aloe vera, leaf, alcohol, and spearmint extract. It can easily be found in many online shops and also marketplace on the treatment with the price around 100 to 115,000. Evaluation: the initial pics of the product is round ball made of the plastic with thick cap on top of it. The color of the pack is green. There are two legs round stickers contain the name of the product and also the elements of ingredients of the product on the cap and on the bottom of the packs. The initial packs contains 300 ml of the aloe vera gel. Currently, this product is also available in the form of tubes which contains 215 ml of the gel. Interpretation: the original pics of the product is tall, legs to be brought in a strip, but we can solve it by having the tubes version instead of the bowl version. The description of the product on the sticker is in Korean, so it may not be friendly for users from other countries such as Indonesia. The texture of the gel allows us to use just a few of it every time we want to apply it to our skin, so it is very economical. The combination of alcohol and also springs extract has made the fragrance of aloe vera from the gel to be strong. It may be relaxing and fresh for some also, but may also be uncomfortable for others. Summary: this product is very good for our skin. It can help us to nourishing our skin so we can have beautiful, glowing, and healthy skin. The price may seem expensive, but as we only need to take small amount of it when we use it, it is going to be worth its assures. With sensitive skin mind when to be careful in using the product because it contains alcohol. Terima kasih. See you. Bye bye.